In Daniel chapter 2, we learn of King Nebuchadnezzar's famous dream laying out the history of the Gentiles until God sets up his kingdom. In verse 43, there is a switch to personal pronouns saying, "They shall mingle themselves with the seed of men." If we view this in light of Matthew 24:37 and Genesis chapter 6, this could shed light on the modern-day alien abduction phenomenon. Just who or what are mingling themselves with the seed of men? Daniel 2:43 seems to hint to a return of the Nephilim. Could it be that in the last days we will see an increase of these sorts of things? Could it be that we are in the beginning of the fulfillment of this prophecy? For more information on this topic, please visit our new website at www.nephilim-hybrids.com.